Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. So I did the review on the DEKO Pro tool pack here, toolkit, and the ratchet was not working in there. So yeah, you could return it back or whatever. But let's open this up with the tools provided and see if we can't fix it ourselves, because that is part of being a homeowner. It's just not going in reverse. Ratchets forward just fine. Reverse, it doesn't do anything. So there's two screws here. That's going to remove this face plate in the front, and we'll see what is going on there. And for starters, that's not going to work. Alright, we're going to bust out the bit kit, ratcheting screwdriver, and this here. We're going to find the proper Phillips head. Let's try a pH one here. That fits in there pretty good. Ratcheting. Alright, got it going here. So you want to keep a finger on the front plate as you're pulling out these screws, so everything doesn't come flying out on you. Feels like these screws are ready to come out. There's one, there's two. Now you can flip it over. You kind of can push on the back little thumb thing, and that will lift everything up. And just pull this face plate off, and we will have a look inside here. There's a little bit of oil. My guess is something's going on with these, and that would be it. There is no spring on that side, although there might not be. There has to be. So that's a failure. Alright, so this is from an S-long kit, a Schlong kit. This is one of the freebie ratchets they give you. It's actually not too bad of a ratchet. I mean, it's got some Torx bits there, so let's see if we can't find the proper one. And I will contact DEKO, whatever you want to call them, and say, hey, you're missing a spring in the ratchet. But first I want to see if I can't take a spring out of here. It might be completely different setup. So got those to come out. Push up in the back there. This one's a little more put together, but there you go. Pretty much the same exact design on the inside. They're marked 1 and 2. Both have springs behind them. So we will take this spring out, and actually they are substantially better springs, or at least they feel better. Alright, so we'll put that there, and pretty sure this is about the same gosh darn ratchet here. Let's see if this is interchangeable here. Yep, pretty much. So let's get this spring out. Obviously this is not a good example because I'm taking from something I have, and I'd be upset if I were a homeowner buying that kit. and it was just missing a spring thing. Alright, we got that one in. Go over on this side here. Pop this spring down in. We got it there. Kind of center it. Don't even remember which is what. But there we go. Now we're in business on both sides. And I mean, you could do one of two things. You can just put a little 3-in-1 oil in there. At least it gives it some lubrication and it doesn't crud stuff up. Or you could put just a slight bit of this in there and try and set this in the middle. Pull this out. Grab a little bit, not too much, doesn't need a lot. Spread that around. Set that back in. Pop top back on that. Bingo bango. Like this. I think this is the correct. Yep, fits in there. Make sure you hold this down when you flip it over. Put these back in. And get them started here and then put them back in the ratcheting ratchet. There we go. You don't have to go super tight. You just want to get them to the end. Yeah, you don't want them poking through the front there. Kind of work that lube around. Much better there. And that's that. I mean, it wasn't the fix I was hoping. I was hoping maybe just one of these springs popped out inside there, but it was completely forgot. So I will still contact the company and say what the heck, but at least we know these are the same, pretty much the same. And that worked out well. Echelon for the win. The schlong. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.